Hey guys, Chris back with another opening video. This one's going to be from Whatnot, particularly. It's going to be from, look at how big this is, it's like a brick. It's going to be from VIPRips, so please make sure you go follow them. Definitely on Whatnot and on Instagram, VIPRips as well. I was actually today's, like literally a minute ago, I just realized that I have been recording all these videos on regular 1x zoom, and I was wondering why it was always so zoomed in. And then I looked to the left and there's a 0.5x. So yeah, that would have been great to know 20 videos ago. But without further ado, let's get into this opening. It's going to be a big opening right here, guys. So much stuff that I probably don't even remember it. Look at how big this package is. So far, so good. We got some cardboards. We got a lot of base cards down there. So, I guess let's start with the 2017 box we got. We actually won this box in a duck race. So if you guys are not familiar with the duck race, you earn bids based on picking teams, buying teams at random and whatnot. Then you go in with all the winners, and you have a duck that corresponds with your name on it. If your duck wins, you win that prize. The prize was a 2017 Donruss, what I think a mega box. We were searching for the Mahomes. I'm not gonna spoil anything if we got a Mahomes or not. You'll find out in a little bit. But without further ado, let's get into that box. So these looks like base cards, right? So we got Andy Dalton, we got OBJ, Emmanuel Sanders, Clay Matthews, Dak, Josh McCown, Latavius Murray, Matt Forte, we got the Cheetah, Tyreek Hill, Rodgers, got a Zeke Elliott. That's going to be a nice one. Tom Brady, still in the Patriots. Julio Jones, Mike Wallace, J.J. Watt, and Travis Kelce. Okay. Next up, Davis Webb, rookie. Jeremy Sprinkle, rookie. Brian Hill, rookie. Elijah Hood, just red and yellow. Gerard Davis, rookie. Dede Westbrook is even in the league still. Von Miller, Buda Baker, rookie. Shelton Gibson, rookie. Jordan Leggett, rookie. Don't know who that is. Obi Melifonwu. I probably butchered their name, but been seeing a lot of cards come out in these packs, and they're all dinged up right here. I think that's just a printing error. Got a John Ross, rookie. Jake Butt. We have quite a few of those now. We got a Truth Bisky when he was on the Bears. He still has potential. Got a CJ Beathard. Yeah, I think he just re-signed. Who did he resign to? Give me a second. It was a team that does not have a quarterback dilemma. I don't know. Leave in the comments where he just re-signed, but I remember reading he did just re-sign. We got a Malachi Dupree, rookie on the packs. Tariq Cohen, Man, he was a talent. I don't know. Is he still in the league? If so, this is going to be a nice card. Brad Kaya. Don't know who that is. I doubt that he's even in the league. Elijah Hood. Kevin King. Okay. Next, sticking with the Donruss theme. This one's Optic. This is a Dalvin Cook. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. My dog ended up with that pig toy again. We were playing with it a little while ago, and I guess he likes to pick the time that I'm making these videos to squeak it. It's typical. But yeah, we got a nice jersey patch right here from Dalvin Cook, rookie phenom. Not numbered, but we'll take that. We got this Alvin Kamara rookie right here. Interested to know what his legal situation is going to end up being like in the future. Why does this card stop right there? There we go. I don't know if I should have done that, but yeah, I don't know. Anyways, let's put this up. We'll probably end up having to move a few things around as we go through these videos. We got a John Ross third Prism right here, the rookies. We got a Chris Godwin. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with these. Oh, I think it's because the top loader themselves are kind of new. But that's a nice card right there. That's a nice Chris Godwin rook. Who do we think's the starter for Tampa Bay going forward? Is it going to be Trask? Is it going to be someone else? Let me know in the comments what we think is going to be the starter there. Okay. All right, next up we got, let's go one by one. We got Van Jefferson right here. Rams, rookie. It's been a nice compliment towards Cooper Kupp. Oh, these sleeves are kind of sticking together. I don't know if it's like the... What's the word I'm looking for? Can't even think of the word. I don't know. I'm having a brain fart. And it comes with more Van Jefferson. What's up with all the Van Jeffersons here? 3 different Van Jeffersons? That's pretty crazy. We got a Matthew Stafford right here. That's a nice card. Legendary logos. Yeah, that's a nice logo. Got a Jake Funk and a Jacob Harris. This right here is a nice card. Red and yellow, Cooper Kupp rookie. Got a Cooper Kupp from Illusions. Another Jacob Harris rookie card. We got a K9 right here. What's it say? Shining Stars from Illusions. It's a cool looking card. We'll put K9 up here somewhere. We got an orange hollow Russell Wilson. 179 out of 199. And if you guys can hear that in the background, that is Brisket once again. We got so many toys. He found another toy that squeaks. I swear. I swear. We can't do a video for 10 minutes without him finding a squeaking toy. But that's okay. That's what dogs do. Next up, oh yeah, all these sleeves. All these sleeves are all the same. Hold on, guys. I gotta throw his bone. Why do you find these little tiny bones for you to play with? Okay, that should keep him busy, at least for 5 seconds. Quincy Wilson rookie card. We got a Jonathan Taylor right here. 221 out of 499 from Illusions. We got a nice Alec Pierce rookie card right here. I would expect that to be in a sleeve next time. God dang it, Brisket. We got a Quincy Wilson right here. Another rookie card. This is a cool card right here. Joe Burrow, King of Cards. I just love this card. It reminds me of, it's like an old school Yu-Gi-Oh card sleeve that had this kind of print on the back of the sleeve. That's a cool card that's going to need a top loader. Josh Malone. We got a Joe Mixon right here. What's going on with this guy, you guys? $3.99 print, 118 out of it. What is going on with Mixon? It's as if Jaw was like, yeah, I'm going to be a bad guy. And Joe Mixon's like, wait, you guys hold my beer. Joe Mixon's always in trouble. Should not be surprising at this point. Trouble seems to find him. Actually, let's put that over here. We got another Joe Mixon right here. This one's a rookie. Was this Illusions a rookie? No, there's no way, right? Oh, yeah, no, that's 2022. Yeah, so we got a rookie right here. Joe Mixon. We'll put him up. Why not? Why not? We'll put him up. Running out of room. Running out of rooms. All right. We got a T. Higgins rookie auto from Select. I think this is this tie-dye? I think this is tie-dye, so this should be numbered, right? Yeah. 14 out of 25. 14 out of 25 on the print. That's a nice card. That's a nice card right there. You gotta move aside. Cooper Kupp. We got T. Higgins in the building. All right, we got a Christian Watson rookie card right here, base. Just leave that up. Meet his twin cousin. Twin cousin. Twin brother. Christian Watson. Imagine if there was twin cousins. It would have to be a Southern thing. We got a Kylan Hill RPA. That signature is awful. Look at this signature. It's almost like he ran out of spaces or spots to write. Like the signature is definitely off of a different sticker. Like when they peel it off, half the signature ripped off. That's disappointing. But it's still a nice color match right here. Right, we got the green and gold. Oh my goodness, what does he have right now? Yeah, Brisket really wants some attention right now. He's doing the most. But yeah, back to that auto. That's disappointing right there. I would have to check to see what the other autos from him look like. But definitely looks like the sticker ripped through part of it. This man needs to learn how to sign his name better. But we got a nice two-colored jersey patch, jersey match. Still a nice card. Still a nice card. Okay. Last up for this one, we got a Michael Pittman Jr. rookie patch. I think this is a rookie patch. I think. but it's 75 on the print, number 16. Pretty sure that's a rookie patch, because it does say 2020 on it. I'm assuming that's his rookie patch. Still a nice card. Michael Pittman's a beast. Him and Alec Pierce should be a great complement to each other going forward. Just got to get a good quarterback. Capable quarterback. I mean, you got a really good team there. Don't you got a solid line. You got Jonathan Taylor, Alec Pierce, Michael Pittman. All of them are studs. Speaking of studs, we got Traylon Burks, rookie card right here, which got damaged from the packaging. It's right there. Hold on. Where the light catches it, right there. Definitely got packaged up like that and damaged. I'm seeing a lot of damaged cards just from simply packaging them up. Kind of bad. Like, could have spaced that out a little bit. But anyways, a Corey Davis, Titans rookie. This right here, folks, this is it. This is a nice card right here. We got a Hassan Haskins, 3 out of 5. That is a laundry tag. Not just any laundry tag. That's the Jordan symbol right there. That's a sick card. On-card auto from Imac. That's a nice card. Speechless. That's a sick one right there. Man, running out of room. Even with zoomed out, we're still running out of room. Might have to pull some of these cards. K9. Okay, so let's see if we got room now. Looks better. But yeah, that Hassan Haskins card, that's it. That's a sick one right there. Guess the only thing that would have made it better is if it was the 1st or the 5th number, but we're not complaining there. Nice RPA with a sick patch. On card, that's awesome. That's what you hope for. It's another one that you hope for, right? See his signature, a bunch of scribbles. It's not the very cleanest, as you could see over here with the Kylan Williams. I was gonna say the Kylan Hill, but Malik Williams. God, man, I'm just butchering everybody's names. Malik Willis. Hopefully his stock goes up like his signature does. But we got a nice RPA here. 3-color patch. I'm guessing that's part of the number, right? If you guys can see right here, it goes white, baby blue, and then I'm guessing that's what a navy blue, right? So it's got to be a piece from the number. That's a sick card. That's a sick card right there. Just like that Hassan Haskins. Both pulled from the same break. Titans really showed up there. Next up, oh, sorry, getting ahead of myself. We got 2 more. Malik Willis. I can't say their names correctly. Malik Willis. It's crazy that these are actually sleeved up, right? But like, The Burks, the Watsons, they're not sleeved. I wonder what the criteria is for sleeved cards. All right, we gotta kind of hide this one somehow so we don't see it. We got an LT, Lawrence Taylor. Let's try to get that focus. 43. Hold on. 43 out of 75. Can't get the focus. From EMAC. Just getting any card from EMAC is pretty solid, right? Then you get a legend like Lawrence Taylor. LT. The things he did on the field when it was legal were insane. It's full. He was one heck of a player. I did not know he went to North Carolina. I'm going to go ahead and put this one up. It's not a patch. It's not a rookie, obviously. It's a thick card, though. It's just a legend, but what a legend he was. Lawrence Taylor. Sneak you in there somehow. That's exactly what he was doing on the field. He was just taking people out. Hit sticks galore. He was just taking everyone out. He brought the same vibe here. This right here. Kayvon Thibodeau. Let's see if I can get that. Kayvon Thibodeau from Oregon. Oregon Duck jerseys are so sick. It's like it's not even stitching on the left. Those are like little stars. I'm not sure, but 39 out of 49 on the print. On card, RPA. Actually, no, it might not be an RPA. I think this might be his second year. Because it doesn't show rookie, but let me know what his rookie year was. Was it 2021? Or what? I think it was 2021. Not sure. I got to do some research on these guys. But that's a nice looking patch right there. It matches the actual card. I'm thinking iMac did that on purpose, right? They had to have. These cards match perfectly. At least most of them do. Not a bad auto either. Guess if you don't know how to sign your name, just do scribbles. Like Malik Willis. Speaking of Malik Willis, got a nice rookie card right here. Shining Stars. This one is not top loaded. I'm guessing the base isn't worth that much. And this right here, this was a givey that we won. You know what we do with givvies? Absolute football. We open them on live. We open these up. Sorry guys, my camera quality is pretty bad right now. Let's see if I can I focus? Focus. I guess not. Anyways, you got anything in there? Nothing special. I think it's just going to be a base pack. So Jonathan Taylor, Jay Jettas, Justin Jefferson. Man, what's up with this camera quality? One sec. All right, so I went to turn off the light. Let's see if that helps a little bit. I think it's just going to be a terrible video in terms of glareness. So we got Jay Jettas, we got Danny Dimes, we got Danny 40 mil a year. It's not Great contract to be on. Davis Mills from the Texans. Derek Carr now with the Saints. That's going to be an underrated signing, trust me. He's still a good quarterback. We got Dak Prescott. We got Brady from the Bucks. All right. Getting into the rookies. Dameon Pierce. Ty Chandler. Are these numbered? I don't think so. They're base. No, they're not numbered. Ty Chandler. David Ajabo. And another Dameon Pierce. Is this one numbered? Nope. I don't know the difference between the green and the silver. Green being a little bit more rare, but not rare enough to be numbered. But we're still going to sleeve those up. Let's go ahead and do a quick recap. I mean, there was a lot here, so it's not going to be very quick. Didn't know this video was already this long, but I didn't doubt that it would be possible to do this video because of how thick that package was. We had a lot of goodies. Let's go over them. Let's go ahead and do a little quick recap. We got a Cooper Kupp right here. Red and yellow prism. Rookie card. Got a Michael Pittman. I believe it's his rookie card. Rookie patch right here from Select. Got T. Higgins tie-dye. Again, if this isn't tie-dye, let me know, but I'm pretty sure that's tie-dye, right? Tie-dye rookie auto. Excuse me. 14 out of 25. Got a Kylan Hill. Sick card right here. Jersey rookie patch auto. Color match. Got something going on back here. Let me clean that up real quick. Hold up. I think we got it. All right, back together. Looks a lot better. All right, next up. Got Dalvin Cook, rookie phenom, optic. Got a patch in there as well. It's a nice card. All right, from EMAC, we got a couple cards. We got the first up, Lawrence Taylor, 43 out of 75, LT. We got a Kayvon Thibodeau. I'm pretty sure this isn't his rookie year, so let me know in the comments what his rookie year is. It's a sick patch, though. So we got some arrows. They don't even look like arrows. They look like windmills, actually. Sorry. Trying to get them to focus. Now they look like dots. My camera quality is just not going very well today. All right, it's better right there, but it's a nice art. I can't even call it RPA because I can't confirm if it's an RPA, but we got this Malik Willis. This is the RPA right here. 52 out of 75, tricolor patch. It's got to be from the number. It's got to be. That's the only place it's going to be. Got to be from one of the numbers. It's a nice card. And to finish it off, we got a Hassan Haskins out of 5. A laundry tag with the Jordan sign. Actually, I don't know if that's a laundry tag or if that's actually part of the jersey. Because you can see up on the top corner, If my camera can focus, I guess not. I guess you're not going to be able to see. Come on. Well, on the top there, it's a Jordan symbol. This could just be from like their home jersey. Right. Or it could be a laundry tag. Can't roll that one out, but definitely think it's going to be a laundry tag because of the rarity. 3 out of 5. Nice on-card auto. That's a sick card. Let's see, what else do we miss? Anything worthwhile to mention? Yeah, let's do these real quick. We got a K9 rookie card right here from Illusions. Joe Mixon rookie. Prism, hollow. Got a Kamara rookie right here, base. And a Chris Godwin rookie, base. Alright, let me know what your favorite card in the video is. I know what mine is. It's definitely got to be that Hassan Haskins. That's just a sick card. I remember when we pulled that. That's a beast of a card. So yeah, let me know what your favorite card of the video is. Kind of a lengthy video. I apologize for that. Again, it was only one package, but you could see how long a package like this can take, especially with all kinds of stuff like it had. Had a pack. Had a box that was broke live. Had a bunch of stuff. Had a bunch of goodies. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I might make a shorter version of it because 32 minutes is quite long. But until next time, thanks for bearing with me.